Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your website to your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC following the latest update. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just want to make your page look more professional, this step-by-step guide will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Next, select the page where you want to add your website. Once you're on your page, find and click on the About section. This section is where all your page's details are stored, including your contact information and other important details. Now, scroll down until you see the section called Contact and Basic Info. Here, you'll find the option to add your website. Look for the button or link that says Add Website and click on it. A new field will appear where you can type in your website address. Make sure to enter the full URL, including the https:// part, so that visitors can click through directly to your site. After you've entered your website, double-check to make sure there are no typos. Once you're happy with it, click the Save button. That's it! Your website is now linked to your Facebook page. Adding your website to your Facebook page makes it easier for your followers to find more information about you, shop your products, or get in touch. It's a simple update that can make a big difference in how people connect with your brand online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on making the most out of your social media pages. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.